Hello class, this is a video tutorial on division, in particular long division. Long division involves being able to divide very large numbers on paper by smaller numbers. So the only best way I can show you this is through an example. So we're going to start off very simple for now, and we're going to do something as simple as let's do 1,354 divided by 2. Now, how we do this is there's a special notation for it. Well, there's a special setup at the very least. How we do it is we set it out like this. We do 2. 2 is known as the divisor. We have a special looking symbol like this. It's not a square root symbol. And we put the number 1, 3, 5, 4 into it. And here's how we go about doing it. What number times 2 can give me 1? Or 2 times what gives me 1? Well, we know we can't do it, so we skip that number there. We'll take a look at the number 13 this time. 2 times what can get me 13? Or at least, what is the closest number I can get to 13 by multiplying by 2? Well, I know that 2 times 6 is 12, so I'm going to put 6 at the top here for now. So 2 times 6, so once we have this number, we do 2 times 6, which gives me 12, and we do a subtraction there. So 13 take away 12 is 1. Then what we do is we drop the number 5 down like this, and we leave it as, now we interpret this as 2 into 15. So what is the largest number we can multiply to get closest to 15? Well, I know 2 times 6 is 12, but we can get closer. 2 times 7 is 14, so 2 times 7 is 14. We do subtraction again. 15 take away 14 is 1. We drop that 4 down next to the 14. 2 times what gets me 14? Well, 2 times 7 is 14. And if we do that last multiplication, 2 times 7 is 14. That will end us with no remainders. So 1,354 divided by 2 is equal to 677. Okay, let's do another example. Let's take a look at the following example. Let's do a larger number. Let's do 35,685. Very large number. And we'll divide this by the number 5. Here we go. So we set up our division. So 5 into our number 35,685. And now let's begin. Can 5 go into 3? No, it cannot. So we'll skip that. Can 5 go into 35? Well, 5 times what gets me closest to 35? Well, I know that 5 times 7 is 35. So now we do 5 times 7 is 35. We do a subtraction again. That gives us 0. We'll move down the 6 here. 5 times what gets me to 6? What's the closest number we can get to 6? Well, I know that 5 times 1 is 5. Therefore, we'll put the 1 here. 1 times 5 is 5. Do a subtraction. 6 take away 5 is 1. We'll take the 8 down like this. What is the closest number? We can get to 18 with 5. So we'll do 5, 10, 15. Well, 4 times is too many because 5, 10, 15, 20. That's too many times. So 5, 10, 15. So 15 is the closest we can get to 18. So we'll put 3 times. 3 times 5 is 15, which gives me 18. Take away 15 is 3. We'll now take the last number down. 5. 5 into 35 is 7. So since we've done this long division, 35,685 divided by 5 is equal to 7,137. We'll do one last example just so we get the hang of things. Let's take a look at the following number. Let's take a look at this one here. Let's take a look at 147,008 divided by 4. 147,008 divided by 4. Let's set up again our division. 4 on the outside, 147,008. 4 cannot go into 1, so we'll take the next number. 4 into 14. Well, 4 times 3 is 12, so 3 is our closest number. 4 times 3 is 12 with a remainder of 2. Drop the 7. 4 into 27. Well, I know that 4 times 7 is 28. Therefore, that's too many now. So it would be 4 times 6. So 4 times 6 is 24. We'll do a subtraction. 27 take away 24 is 3. We'll drop the 0. 4 into 30. Well, let's count. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32. So 8 times is too many. So it must be 7. So 4 into 30, 7 times, which gives me 4 times 7 is 28. 30 take away 28 is 2. Let's take a look again now at the number 0. 4 into 20 is equal to, well, that's 5 times, because 5 times 4 is 20. We'll do a subtraction. Gives us a 0. Drop down the 8. 4 goes into 8 2 times. So therefore, 147,008 divided by 4 is this number here. 36,752. I hope this gives you an insight on how to do long division with single digits. Best of luck.